All right, welcome. Today we are going to be working on doubling our recipe on slide 9. So to do that, you're going to copy your recipe on slide 9 in fractions. And then you on the right-hand side, so that'll go on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, you are going to write the doubled amount. So for 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, you'll see I started and I have 16 tables of unsalted butter would be the double. So 8 plus 8 is 16. For 1 cup of flour, I would double that. 1 plus 1 is 2 cups of flour. But how do we do the doubling of the fractions? Well, that's a good question. That's part of the skills that we're working on today. So if we go to our sketch pad, if I start with 1 3/4 cup or 1 3/4 of a cup of an ingredient and I need to double that, I need to add another 1 3/4 cup. So to do that, I add the whole numbers. 1 plus 1, whole numbers would be 2. Then I add my fractions. The denominator is going to stay the same. It's still going to be in terms of fourths, but I add my numerators or the top numbers. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Well, that looks great. However, 6/4 is both an improper fraction and it's not simplified. So I need to take care of that. So my whole number part, that will stay the same. And to that, I need to add 6/4, both written as a proper fraction and simplified. So how do I do that? Well, good question. I'm going to put 6 inside our box. We're going to divide this out to figure out how many whole parts we have and what our remainder is. And our 4 is trying to get in. So we look at 4. How many times can 4 fit into 6? Well, once. 1 times 4 is 4, and our remainder is 2. So this would be the equivalent of 1 2/4. But we're not done yet. 2/4 can be simplified, so I have to think to myself, what number can I divide both 2 and 4 by? Oh, yeah, you're right, 2. So 2 divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So 1 2/4 can be written as 1. The whole part stays the same. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 6/4 is the same as 1 1/2. But back in my problem, I still have the 2 whole parts, so I can't forget those. And to that, I'm adding 1 1/2. So again, I add my whole numbers to be 3, and 1/2 is the fractional part that is left. So 1 3/4 plus 1 3/4 is equivalent to 3 1/2. So back on my project then, you can see that I wrote 3 1/2 cup of whole milk. So that's the process you're going to use to double your recipe with fractions.